Hey guys, I'm Kyle with the design team, and today we're going to talk about the new Sonic Next lineup of toolboxes. Today specifically I'm going to talk about the new Next S9. This is a fantastic size if you maybe don't have a ton of tools, or you just want to keep most of your important tools in one toolbox, and then you have like another, cabinet array with everything else or something like that. But some of the new features we have are a new designed stainless top, which is pretty cool. Before, it had like an embossed Sonic logo in the middle here, which was cool but kind of annoying if you had something rolling or whatever. Now they just have it nice and laser etched there, which is nice and clean. These new toolboxes are way more heavy duty and have a lot higher weight capacity. I think the weight capacity of the original S9 was like 881 pounds, and now it's just shy of 2,000 pounds for weight capacity. So, I mean, more than double, which is pretty incredible. Most of that is due to the upgraded casters. So all of the casters on the new Next series of toolboxes are super heavy duty, have these giant rubber, almost tires basically, but they do a really good job of letting your toolbox roll across Swiss tracks or any bumps or anything that's on the ground. They roll really nice, and it has a ton of capacity. I believe that it's like 300 kilograms per wheel. The other upgrade here is new drawer slides. So these are kind of a MSS Plus style with a construction that's similar to the MSS style cabinet slides. So these are a little more sturdy, a little more durable, higher weight capacity, so that helps with that overall increase in the weight capacity versus the old toolbox. We've got a locking system, of course, like we've always had. Now it's got a fancy little key that you can take out and fold up. This is just like the other spare key. But it also has a little signifier on here for red when it's locked, blue when it's unlocked, and then you can have it all the way if you wanted to. It won't come out in this position, but if you keep turning it all the way, now you can pull it out and it's still unlocked. What I really like about these, along with the new powder coating, are these new bumpers that are a little bit more sleek. The old ones kind of a little more bulgy, and they wrapped around the corner and onto the front and everything. So these are more sleek. Just gives it a nicer look. And then, like I mentioned, the new powder coating is really good. I really like it. It's more of the MSS Plus style that's kind of that matte finish, which is nice, as opposed to like a more, not glossy, but like the semi-gloss, like the MSS line that these used to have. So it just feels more durable, and it is more durable than it used to be. All of these are actually painted on this red stripe. I could do without those, but I don't think it looks bad. It's kind of a cool look. You get a paper towel holder that can go on, I guess, either side technically. You have different holes for mounting different accessories and stuff that you could get, like a can holder that we actually have over on this side for like spray cans, brake cleaner and stuff like that, or detail sprays, that sort of thing. So you have a little bit of flexibility of how you would set this up. You have 7 deep drawers, or shallow drawers, and then you have 1 deeper drawer down here. These are perfect for the medium foam inlays. So they pull all the way out, so you have full access, and then you have your medium inlay would fit in here perfect, or you can do 3 smalls. So you can really fit a lot of tools in this. They've got a really nice, like, solid click when you close the drawers and open the drawers, so it just feels really sturdy. So that's pretty much everything you need to know about the new Next S9 from Sonic Tools. We're really excited about these. This one is one of my favorites because it just fits all the medium inlays snugly in the drawers. So if you need a good rolling toolbox for your garage or shop, this is definitely one to look at.